Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to easily convert CSV data from a Fidelity trading account into my trading journal format. Previously, I made a video on how to convert interactive brokers options trading data into the same format. I will leave the link in the description below. I often receive questions from Fidelity users asking how to convert their CSV data into the trading journal format so they can avoid a lot of manual typing. Recently, I figured out a way to extract CSV data from Fidelity and organize it directly into the journal format, and that's what I will be sharing in this video. Before showing you the process, let me quickly go over the data we need to input into the trading journal for options trading. This journal is designed for both options and stock traders. There is also another version specifically for traders who only trade options. The key data fields we need are trade number, trade direction, ticker symbol, strategy, strike price, expiration date, entry date and time, number of entry contract, net entry price, entry commission, exit date and time, exit contract, exit price, and exit commission. Now let's take a look at the Fidelity options data in CSV format. Here's what it looks like. It includes details such as run dates, actions, ticker symbol, amount of quantity, entry price and exit price, and commissions. As you can see, it looks pretty messy, and manually transferring this into the journal format would be time consuming. Fortunately, I have found a very simple way to extract and reorganize this data into a clean, structured format, and that's why I am making this video to share it with you. The method I use involves an AI chatbot. For this demonstration, I will be using grok.com. Here's how it works. Go to grok.com and create a free account. The free version is enough, you don't need the paid plan. Go to the chat section, click on the attached icon, and upload your CSV file. At the beginning, try uploading a simple file such as a CSV that contains less than 10 trades, like this one. This is because the AI chatbot works best when it starts with a simple task before handling more complex one. Once the file is uploaded, we can start asking the chatbot question. For example, start with a simple question like, can you read the file? Grok will reply with the contents as you see now. Then you can continue with the next request. We can ask Grok to rearrange the data into the format that we can just copy and paste into the trading journal. So we can ask Grok to rearrange the trading data into the following columns such as trade number, trade direction, ticker, strategy, strike price, expiration date, entry contract, net entry price, entry fees, premium at entry, exit date, net exit price, exit fee, premium at exit. For net entry price and net exit price, make sure to put a negative sign to indicate debit trades. Arrange the trades in chronological order by date. It will take a while for the Grok to process our request. It depends on how complex our request. The more complex our request, the longer time it needs to process our request. So what we need to do is just wait for a while before we get the answer. This is the data that rearranged by Grok from our CSV data. Now we can give more requests to Grok to rearrange the data according to the format that we want. As you can see here, the Grok include the stock trade into the data table. So we can ask Grok to eliminate stock trades. I only want options trades. So Grok will rearrange the data according to our request. Now we can add in something like, can you add in a column before exit date to show buying power? So Grok will respond to our request and also show the rationale behind the calculation that it takes. Now let's test with a heavier file, the file that contains more than 100 trades. So let's upload another file which contains more than 100 trades and ask Do the same for this CSV data. Since this file is much larger than the file we first uploaded, so it will take a while for Grok to process our request. At the same time, we can do other things while waiting for Grok to process the data. After 11 minutes, we can get the table that we request from Grok. It converts the CSV data into the format that we want. So we can further refine the CSV data. We can add in something like, can you add in break-even price in front of entry date? So Grok will respond us with the calculation for the break-even price, assumptions and notes. And it will generate another new table according to the request. Since we request to add in break-even price in front of the entry date, now it gives us another table that consists of break-even price. Before we move on, one thing I forget to mention is the number of exit contract. I forgot to add in a column for the number of contract at exit, so we need to ask Grok to add in a column for number of contracts at exit. Leave it blank if the trade is still open. So Grok will respond to our request to add in number of exit contract. Now you can see the table is updating by itself according to our request. Once you have extracted all the data you need, you can download the new CSV file. Just click on the download icon at the top and download the file. So this is the new CSV file rearranged by Grok to the format that we want for the trading journal data. So now we can just copy and paste the data into the trading journal. When we copy and paste it into the trading journal, right click, select paste spatial and select value to paste the values into the trading journal. This is how it looks like after copy and paste the data from the CSV file processed by Grok into the trading journal format. After pasting everything in, the formulas will automatically calculate the premium paid or collected at entry, premium collected paid or collected at exit, the total P&L, return on investment percentage, P&L per day, cumulative P&L, count drawdown after each trade. You can also go to the trading dashboard to see a summary of the trading data that you have input into the trading journal. Now it may seem very easy to let the AI chatbot handle all the data entry for you. Keep in mind that it may not be 100% accurate. You should always double check the result. Personally, I prefer to do the data entry manually to ensure complete accuracy. Although it takes a little more time, it also gives you valuable insights into your trading performance. The summaries you will get from the trading dashboard, monthly report, strategies dashboard, and the ticker dashboard will help you analyze and improve your performance, insights your broker doesn't provide. Thanks for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description below to learn more about this trading journal. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.